Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjay Lamthamang. Today I bring for you all a spicy tomato soup, Mexican style recipe. Please do watch video until then. Follow the ingredients and instruction. Enjoy with your family, friends at your home, or you can use this recipe too at your own. धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई। आज भने तपाईँहरू माझमा मैले स्पाइसी टोमेटो सुप मेक्सिकन स्टाइलमा रेसिपी ल्याएर आएको छु। हजुरहरूले यो रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर आफ्नो घरबारसँग पनि इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, साथसाथै आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्रमा पनि प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है त। The spicy Mexican style tomato soup, written in the same professional recipe style with the clear method with chef tips. Spicy tomato soup, Mexican style, bold, smoky, chili heat, vibrant ingredients. Serving 3 to 4 portion. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 medium onion chopped, 3 garlic cloves minced, 1 jalapeno or green chili sliced. 1 red chili optional for extra heat, 4 to 5 medium potato chopped, or 1/2 cup crushed tomatoes. 1 tablespoon tomato paste, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon smoked paprika, half teaspoon chili powder, Mexican style if available. Salt and pepper to taste, 1/2 cup vegetable or chicken stock, 1/4 cup cooked black beans optional, 1/4 cup corn kernel optional, 1 teaspoon lime juice, fresh cilantro for garnish. Method: saute the aromatics. Heat well in fat. Add onion, cook 3 to 4 minutes until soft. Add garlic, add chopped chilies and saute until 1 minute. Add tomatoes, add chopped tomatoes, add tomato paste, cook 6 to 8 until tomato break down. Add all spice, add cumin, paprika, chili powder, salt and pepper. Toast spicy for 20 to 30 seconds. Add a stock. Pour in a stock. Add black beans and corn optional for Mexican texture. Bring to a simmer. Cook 15 minutes. Blend pretendly or full depending on your preference. Full blend smooth soup, half blend rustic Mexican texture. Finish, add lime juice or brightness, add seasoning. Serve. Garnish with the fresh cilantro, tortilla strip, a spoon of sour cream optional, chili oil drizzle. Chef tips professional note. Authentic Mexican flavor. Use chipotle in adobo, half teaspoon for smoky heat. For a spicy lover, keep the chili seeds or add 1 dried red chili during the saute. For thicker texture, add 1 boiled potato or 1 tablespoon cornflour slurry before blending. For restaurant finish, blend restaurant heat, add a dot of butter before serving. For a creamy Mexican vibrant, 1/4 cup cream or half cup coconut milk after blending. Thank you very much, everyone. Love you all. Please always do visit my profile. Have a look. Many more recipes are there. And if you have any question, do not hesitate. Send to me message or comment any of my posts. Thank you very much. See you next in the video. Love you all. Ciao.